I'm just going to go over some soldering today. I was going to solder some connector here to go on a Traxxas to Dean's connector, so you can charge different batteries and things. I was going to go over how to solder the tabs onto the actual wires. First of all, you need a good soldering iron, and always make sure your tip is very clean, and always apply some solder on it before you're ready to solder, so it applies good heat transfer. And solder these tabs, it's a lot easy sometimes to just pre-tin your wires. It's kind of let your wires just soak up some of the solder that's on there. You can also use your solder like this to preheat your wire and let it feed straight into the wire, and it pre-tins it. You can do that with both. Do it on a table, but it don't hurt it. And then once you got that, set your tabs out. I already pre-tinned these before the video, just to make it a little quicker. Some more solder in there. Hold tab, or hold your wire above your tab, and you can heat both of them at once, and then slide it under and put your solder iron over it, and then when you're done, and solder on. You can do your other, and make sure every now and then you clean your tip off. Put some more solder on there. Keeps the oxidation off the tip, so you won't destroy it and last longer. You can do the same thing to the other one. Kind of heat both. Set it under. This one looks like it might need just a little more solder, so just put a little more feed on there. Solder it on there. And when you're done with your soldering iron, make sure you clean it off and pre-tin it. Stick it in there, turn it off. When you do that, it helps protect the tip for next time. When you are done with this, all you gotta do is just insert the metal prongs straight into the Traxxas connector. Here, I use pliers. It's a lot easier. Push them in there. Of course, it's going to be difficult. See, that one went in very nice. Well, I'll get it in there later, but that's what you do. If you have any questions or anything, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks, guys.